What's up guys, and welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover. Thank you once again for tuning into this amazing new video, guys. Today I will be making once again a special video for you guys, but right now it will be going about the price section of Chainlink, because this one, just like Cardano that I just recently uploaded, is also looking very exciting. So that is the reason why I'm also making a dedicated video about the price section of Chainlink. So guys, I've been making this video because of the Instagram story that I just was uploading here on my Instagram account. So if you want to be seeing what I uploaded, make sure to go right away to @CryptoRoverYT on Instagram, because yes guys, it was a very exciting story that was uploaded, and there were a lot of DMs coming in here. So that is the reason why I'm once again uploading another video, because guys, we have been discussing it so many times on the channel as well here in the live streams. We are literally right now, we are setting a new all-time high for the price section of Chainlink. So this is of course very exciting. So hopefully you guys enjoying this video. But guys, what we are currently seeing, of course, let me go right away into the price chart. We are seeing this upward sloping resistance line getting formed here on the price section of Chainlink. And guys, what we are currently seeing, of course, is finally 2 or 3 days ago, we were seeing the breakout to the upside of this downward sloping resistance line. And besides that, guys, we were not only closing above the resistance line, we were also closing above the 1.618 in the Fibonacci chart, what is of course trading on the $46. So very important that we were closing above that level, and I definitely think it's very beneficial, because as you can see as well here, we were not only finding support on the resistance line, but also on the Fibonacci level. And of course, guys, let me go right away into the next level of resistance on the Fibonacci, because we are currently, guys, sorry, you want to be knowing, we are currently also trading here in free air. We are trading here in price discovery for Chainlink. So yes, the Fibonacci extension levels are very important, because yes guys, we want to be looking where we can be possibly heading towards. So in this Fibonacci chart, you can see that we are probably going to head towards the $62 for the next major level of resistance. So that is of course the first level that I will be anticipating as major resistance. But second of all, guys, we're also can be looking at a little bit of the lower time frame. And the lower time frame, of course, I've been talking about this one in the in the streams here, and we are seeing finally we just closed the 4-hourly candle, guys. Exactly 7 minutes ago, we closed the 4-hourly candle of Chainlink above the $50, and you can see right away the volatility was getting created. So price target of this breakout of the Chainlink triangle will be pushing us towards the $55 exactly. And of course, the $55 is not even close towards the $62. It's definitely a target that we are still going to reach. So I mean, this is looking very healthy. And you know, I've been talking a lot about the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin valuation as well here, and this one is also looking very good. So guys, what you can currently see with this one as well here is that Chainlink compared to Bitcoin, just like I was telling you guys on the Cardano compared to Ethereum valuation, it tends to move in waves, and also for Chainlink, it tends to move in waves, guys. And what you can currently see as well here, we are once again having another wave to the upside getting created. We are first, you can see over here. You can see over here what you can see over here for Bitcoin compared to Chainlink, we're seeing a move to the upside getting created. Then we were seeing a move to the downside getting created, and right now we are starting a new leg up here. And guys, what we can currently see as well here is that we are starting in higher high structure and also in higher low structure. So this is very important for me, and what you can currently see is that it's very beneficial for the price section, and that we can definitely start a new wave to the upside. So first of all, we were seeing the breakout of the symmetrical triangle for Chainlink compared to Bitcoin, and right now also starting a new upturn with higher highs and higher lows. And of course, we are not even close by the price target, because this price target, guys, for Chainlink compared to Bitcoin is still sitting around 0.1% of a Bitcoin. And of course, that will be meaning that we're going to go towards $57 if we're going to reach this price target for Chainlink compared to Bitcoin. But that is not even everything, guys, because if we're even going to smash for the price target, guys, once reaching that $57, I don't think that we're exactly at the top yet here for Chainlink, because we will be even moving higher. And the reason why I'm saying this is because also we are of course starting a new uptrend, and besides that, because we're starting a new uptrend, we are definitely going to see higher highs and higher lows getting created. And like I told you before, it tends to move in waves, and just like Chainlink is just like Cardano as well here, it also tends to move in waves here. And I definitely think we are going to take out the previous high. And I mean, just imagine that we are going to go to the previous high, and it's of course 1.6% of an Bitcoin, what can be meaning of course an approximately Chainlink a worth of, yeah, let's say $70 to $80. So that's of course not out of the books at all. So also for the Chainlink compared to Ethereum valuation, we're seeing a beautiful double bottom getting created currently on this one. So like I told you as well on the Instagram story, guys, I think there will be money from Ethereum flowing to these bigger altcoin caps, just like Cardano, but also like Chainlink. And you can see it right now perfectly playing out, double bottom getting formed over here. This is definitely providing us buying opportunities. And I mean, I should be saying this, this will be also playing out on the the US dollar valuation. And of course, right now also seeing the S&A triangle will be definitely pushing up the price as well here. We can be seeing way higher prices. Of course, this will be already a surge of 6%, but of course, 6% is nothing. And for comparisons what we are going to go towards, because yes guys, if we're going to reach the next target here in the Fibonacci chart, what is of course the price discovery target, it will be already a move of 21%. So you're maybe wondering, you're maybe wondering right now, am I too late to buy into Chainlink? I will be right away giving you my exact thoughts about it. No, you're not too late yet here, because like I told you in the Instagram story, guys, there is of course the market situation and the market cycles exactly playing out once again here. You can see the money from Bitcoin flowing into Ethereum, money from Ethereum flowing into bigger caps, and that's of course exactly what will be happening once again here. So please don't be the one who's buying into coins that are pumping. Be the one who's front running the market, just like we are currently doing here. And of course, Chainlink is right now pumping to the upside, but you are not too late yet here. Market is looking healthy, no bears divergence, and besides that, we are of course we have been not overextended. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to enjoy my dinner real quickly. I'm going to eat some salads, so hopefully you're going to enjoy your dinner as well if you're going to eat right now. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I can check you guys back later in a new video or stream here, but at least tomorrow I'm going to stream on the channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace out. Goodbye.